Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we will discuss about divisibility test. So in the previous video we already discussed about some tests that are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you have not watched this video, please visit this video and watch it completely and learn about these rules. And in this video we will discuss about divisibility test of 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So let's start with the video and start our first test, that is divisibility rule of 7. So what's the rule of 7? If a number is divisible by 7, is that when its unit digit or tens digit is divisible by 7. First you need to subtract that number till it gets its unit digit or tens digits. What does that mean? For example, you take a number 1687 and you have to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. What you have to do, just make it double. The unit digit, make it double. So 7 multiplied 2 is 14. Subtract it from rest of the digit. And you have to subtract that unit digit till you get your number in tens digit or in ones digit. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 1. Now you get 154. Now make it double. 4 multiplied 2 is 8 and subtract it from rest of the digit, that is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And you know that 7 is completely divisible by 7. So 1687 is completely divisible by 7. Suppose, let's take one more example, that is 343. So what you have to do, take the unit digit and make it double. 3 multiplied 2 is 6 and subtract it from rest of the digit, that is 34. 34 minus 6 is 28 and you know that 28 is completely divisible by 7. So you can find your answer by making it into the ones place as well as to the tens place. Now you can check by yourself. 1428. So let's solve together. Take the unit digit 8, make it double, that is 16. 142 minus 16 is 26. It's a tens digit. 26 does not come in table of 7, does not divisible by 7. So the number 1428 does not divisible by 7. Now comes to the next rule, that is divisibility rule of 8. So what's the condition for the divisibility rule of 8? If the number formed by last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. It is quite similar to the divisibility rule of 4, where we check the last 2 digits, and in this number we check the last 3 digits. So let's take an example. For example, 5120. Just take the last 3 digits and check. It will be divisible by 8 or not. 8 times 1 is 8. Subtract 4, 0. 8 times 5 is 40. Yes, it is completely divisible by. I know you can say that we can divide the whole number like this if we have to check by divide. So this is just a 4-digit number. Sometimes they give you 6-digit number, 7-digit number, but you don't have time to solve it. So you just take the last 3 digits and divide it by 8. So you can check that the number is divisible by 8 or not. So let's discuss some more example. That is 40,120. The same digit 120 we already checked. So that's like this. In this case, they give you a 5-digit number. It will take a little bit time, but from the last 3 digits, you can check it easily. 25,104. Take the last 3 digits and check it. It will be divisible by 3 or not, 8 or not. Sorry, 8 times 1 is 8, and here 24 is come. No, 3 times is 24. So yes, 104 is completely divisible by 8. Now check with another number, 26,094. Take the 3 digits, that is 94, and divide it by 8. 8 times 1 is 8, and here is 14. No, so it's not divisible by 8. Now let's discuss the next rule, that is divisibility by divisibility rule of 9. So the condition of divisibility of rule of 9 is that if the sum of digit of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, 7,254. If we need to check that this number is divisible by 9 or no, what you have to do, you have to add all the digits together and check the number is comes in table of 9 or not. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is also 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. The sum is 18, and 18 comes in table of 9. So yes, it is divisible by 9. It is quite similar to the divisibility rule of 3. There you also check the sum of all the digits and the number comes in table of 3. So it is divisible by 3. So here it's the same. You just add all the digits and check the number comes divisible by 9 or comes in table of 9. So it is divisible by 9. So let's discuss some more examples also. 756. So 7 plus 5 plus 6. So we need to check 756 is divisible by 9 or not. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Yeah, the sum is also 18. So yes, it is divisible by 9. Suppose they give you a number 3,242. Sum all the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. No, it is not divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 9. Now move forward to the next rule, that is divisibility rule by divisibility rule of 10. The condition for rule of 10 is if a number ends with 0. Simple. For example, 720. Yes, it ends with 0, so it will be completely divisible by 10. 1600. Yes, it will be divisible by 10 because it ends with 0. So you have to just remember one condition, that is the number is divisible by 10 only when it ends with 0. Next rule, that is divisibility of 11. It's an important rule and unique also. The rule of 11. Yes. If the difference between the sum of digits at odd place and the sum of digits at even place is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. What does that mean? If they give you a number, you need to add its odd places and add its even places and then do the difference of that, do the subtraction of that. If you get your answer 0 or multiple of 11, 11, 22, 33, so on like this, then the number is divisible by 11. So how we need to check? Okay, let's discuss one example. Suppose they give you a number like this. So it will take time if you divisible by 11, but we'll do it simply. Sum of odd places. This is, this, and this. So 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 17. Now sum of odd places, even places. That is 4 plus 9 is 17. Do the difference. 17 minus 17 is 0. You get the difference 0. That means the number is completely divisible by 11. Sometimes they give you the digits in 6 digit, 7 digit or 8 digit number. If you know the divisibility rule, you can do it so fast. So make the practice of these rules. We'll discuss one more example on divisibility rule of 11. That is, suppose 1331. Odd places. Sum is 1 plus 3, that is 4. Even places, sum is also but 3 plus 1, that is 4. The difference is 0. That means this number is also completely divisible by 11. I hope all the rules are clear. If you have any doubt, you have any query, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned with the channel, and I'll upload more related content on maths in future as well. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.